And if you're looking for another breakfast recipe,
I tried so hard.
done with ya. Have you ever had vegan chorizo and wonder how to make it at home? Well, today I want to share with you how to Have you ever had vegan chorizo and wonder how you could make it at home?
Yes.
Good. That's the response. Okay.
Quit drinking cerveza on set, woman.
These workers.
2 beers every 30 minutes, okay?
And man, I like this. Whatever we have going on. You should have saved the cerveza for chorizo tacos. Okay. You're very chistosito. You know that. Oh my goodness, you're so weird. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, but it is greasy. You don't want me to say that. Chorizo is greasy.
Tell them it's greasy.
I did. I owned it. It's a lot of oil in there, but that's fine.
You don't have to be in the shop. Go here.
We did it. Oh, that was good. 2 recipes down. So I know what more content to make for you guys. And if you're still looking for some, that was good up until there.
Yeah, go ahead. So rolling, clap it in.
What do you need? Oh, my baby. I gave you so much food. He wants more and more. Come on, lay down. Stay right here. Yeah. No, I need help, Adrian.
I'm trying to tell you. So we're already rolling.
How would you say it?
So what is the sentence?
Blend the seaweed and the mushrooms until pulverized.
Perfect. Move on to the next one.
Isn't that way too harsh?
No.
Okay, fine. But I feel like that's what I said, and then you're like,
No,
that's too fast.
No, you're very right.
Okay. Blend the seaweed and the mushrooms until pulverized.
Great. Next.
Now mix the onion, the garlic, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Perfect. What's the issue there? So to start from the beginning again. Let's keep it all together.
No, that was fine.
Yeah. So talk. Go ahead.
I need to talk to you.
And that's fine. Don't
okay,
look at the
so
camera.
stand right. So can you stand right here?
Don't stop, because.
Okay, I'm not gonna stop. Can you stand right there, and I'll do it. Mm-hmm.
Oh, exactly.
Can you get him really quick?
Great job, Cutter.
He just wants pompitas. He wants pompitas, little booty things, little booty pats. Pat. The hunker has presented itself to the YouTube. It wants your money in exchange for elotes and chucherías.
Rolling.
What? What did you say?
Hurry your phone.
She needs to be quiet. Mija, yo sé que estás emocionada, pero por favor, no silencio. Yo silencio.
No silencio.
I mean, silencio, okay?
This is no silencio.
What you doing? Catching me in my mom job? Okay. Ready? This is Jamaica straining and paleta making. It's just one shot, right? Okay. Oh, wait. Ready? Oh, no, I'm not ready. Yeah.
Uh-oh.